My name is Elisha Ongoya. I'll continue from where my learned colleague, Senior Counsel Paul Mwite, has left us. And I start with a number of reflections. Number one, I have reflected on a number of unjust trials in human history. The trial of Sir Thomas More, the trial of Socrates, and even the trial of Jesus Christ. One element characterizes these trials. When you read history, there are trials that are carried out with predetermined outcomes. Those who are taken through the trials are taken through the motions for the sake of it. My learned friend, Mr. Wachira Maina, whom I've had the chance to work with, reminds me all the time that behind every constitution lies a moral idea and a moral expectation that there will be good faith compliance with the commands of that constitution. In fact, Mr. Wachira Maina informs me, and I believe him, that in management theory, there is a concept described as malicious compliance. And he informs me that there's a legitimacy gap that is wider than the Pacific Ocean between good faith compliance and malicious compliance. I want to persuade you that the motions that the first petitioner was taken through at the National Assembly and the Senate of Kenya passed the test of malicious compliance. The danger of allowing malicious compliance to go unredressed is that it injects an irredeemable legitimacy gap in constitutional processes.